Honorable Remu sir, our Chief Speaker, Dr. Somnath Mishra, invited faculties from other institutions as well as our institution, faculties, delegates across the Odisha All Pharmacy College, my beloved students, very good morning all of you. On behalf of IMT Pharmacy College, I welcome you in 13th National Seminar in a huge response, almost more than 700 delegates across Odisha and outside Odisha also. So we hope today's seminar, not only today, the 2 days seminars will enlighten all the research activity, indigenous research activity as well as futuristic research activity and present research activities in industry and academic. In both sectors, our speaker will enlighten throughout their session, scientific session. So almost we are delaying our process. So without speaking more, again I welcome all of you in the seminar and request our students to keep patience and read, keep your notebook with your hands when the session will start so that you can note it, whatever the important points to be discussed in this seminar, which is the most important parameter of organizing any seminar. So thank you all. Hope you will have a pleasant stay at Puri. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words. Now, I would like to invite Professor Dr. A.P. Mahapatra, sir, Academic Director, IMT Pharmacy College, Puri, to say something. Sir.
Jai Jagannath, the respected Honorable Chairman, Dr. Pranab Shankar Das, Dr. Somnath Mishra, Director Admin, Director of Finance, Principal Dr. Dinda, my dear colleagues, delegates from different institutions of Odisha and different states, and dear students. Good morning all of you. At the outset, I would like to thank all our guests and speakers for their presence, which speaks about their involvement and inclination towards the knowledge sharing, towards the profession, and how they are more inclined towards student education. That is what speaks about their presence. Still, lot of chairs are vacant. Delegates are coming within next 30-40 minutes or half an hour. But due to time constraints, we are forced to start the seminar because our guest, Dr. Das, is very much busy. He has to attend other functions. So we have to start this occasion. So regarding this seminar, it is not that for the purpose of holding a seminar we are doing it. Rather, we wish that it should be a productive one. It should be a bilateral talk, or in that sense, there should not be a passive. You should not be a passive listener during the technical session. What we really mean that the seminar, it should be a productive one, so that at the end of the day you should gain something. And purposefully, the topic has been selected: the implementation of indigenous technology in pharma research, which is the need of the hour because we all have experienced the crisis during the corona situation, and some or other way we all have suffered during those days. But thanks to our technology, for which India have not suffered the way other countries have, because we have our own technology through which we got Covaxin and Covishield, and for that reason, many people have, saved their life. We could able to save their life. So going forward, in health sector, the implementation of indigenous technology is really important and necessary. Because we cannot depend on the foreign technology all the times. For that reason, what will happen? We have to always depend on them. The prices will be more, and during the crisis, we will not get the things what we need for. So how we'll love to listen from the speakers, those who are in the industry, what are the technology they are using now, and how our technology, our indigenous technology can be come into force, or you can implement that so that our people at large, the Indian people at large, will get benefit out of it. Because as you all know, more than 60% of the people of India are living below the poverty line. And for them, affordable quality medicine is barely required. So for that matter, government also need to support the pharma industry, because for this innovation, $1 billion are required to come up with a new molecule. And the Indian researchers are far behind in that aspect because of the financial constraint, because of the other regulatory aspect. So in that case, government has to come forward, help the pharma research industry so that they can come up with new molecules and which the Indian people can get the benefit out of it. So as principal said during the technical session, make the best use of it, take a note of the key points, raise your concern during the question and answer session. We all will be given chances to raise your or place your queries or questions or doubts, whatever, so that it will be a productive one, which we really need for. Because it is not that for holding a seminar every year we are doing this. It should be a brainstorming session, it should be a productive one, so that at the end of the day, we all will feel that yes, the days are productive and we have done something for our students. So once again, thank you all, and I wish a patient hearing and a productive session ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And I am quite sure that this seminar is going to be a productive one for all of us sitting out here. Now, I would like to invite Sri Manoj Kumar Ratta sir, Director Admin, IMT Pharmacy College, Puri, to address the gathering. Sir, please.
जय जगन्नाथ। IMT फार्मेसी कॉलेज रे 13th नेशनल सेमिनार एवं सेमिनार रो शुभ उद्घाटन उत्सव रे मंचासीन सम्मान्य अतिथि कॉलेज रो प्रतिष्ठाता अध्यक्ष निर्देशक समस्त को शुभेच्छा और अभिनंदन। मंच सामने बसथिबा डेलीगेट्स रिसोर्स पर्सन समस्त को अभिनंदन एवं शुभेच्छा। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वो धन्यवाद देवी जे आईएमटी फार्मेसी कॉलेज रो डिप्लोमा डिग्री विभाग रो पिलामानक सहित ओडिसा रो अन्य फार्मेसी कॉलेज रो स्टूडेंट्स माने आछंती एवं ओडिसा बाहर अनेक शिक्षानुष्ठान रो स्टूडेंट्स माने एठी आसी पहुंचंती। महाप्रभु रे पवित्र धाम ए धाम रे हम माने गोटे महत्व उद्देश्य नहीं कि एकाठी हेचे ए 2 दिन भीतर हम माने किछि सिखिबा जानिबा किछि नुवा लोक को भेटिबा नुआ सांग तैयारी करिबा एवं किछि गोटे नुआ स्वप्न देखिबा ए उद्देश्य रे सेमिनार आयोजन कराइछि। से गोटे कथा मोर एठी मन को आसे जे जो इंडिजिनस टेक्नोलॉजी कथा कह जाउछि तार आवश्यकता कौन अछि, कारण आमे माने कौन सी जिनस आविष्कार करिबा बा उद्भावन करिबा भूली गलुना कॉपी पेस्ट रे आमे सीमित होई जाइछु बा विदेशी माने जा करूछन्ती ताकू आमे फॉलो करिबारे माहिर होई जाइछु। निजे किछि करिबा निजे किछि करिके देखेबा बा निज टेक्नोलॉजी द्वारा विश्व को लीड करिबा ए कथाटा हम भीतर आस्ते आस्ते कमी जाइछि। आज पर्यंत भी आमे दारिद्रता भीतर अच्छे। आजिका समय भी गोटे 10 टंकिया बिस्कुट तुम जदि बांटिया पे चेष्टा करियो 5 लोकंकर लाइन लागिबो ए अवस्था रे आमे अच्छे वर्तमान। तेणु किंतु आमे कम्पीट करूचे से सारा विश्व रे आमे केमते 1 नंबर हेई परिबा, आबर टेक्नोलॉजी आबर रिसर्च विश्व केमते 1 नंबर हेई परिबो। आमे जो पीएचडी पेपर्स सबमिट करिकरी खुशी होचे डॉक्टरेट पाउचे से पीएचडी पेपर गुडी को बाहर ग्रहणीय हो नहीं, देश बाहर ग्रहणीय हो नहीं। काहे कि ना देश बाहर जो प्रकार क्वालिटी रिसर्च होउची डेडिकेटेड रिसर्च होउची आमे ता सहित ताळमेळ देई पड़ना। आमे 20 वर्ष तळर किछि डाटा को पूरी कॉपी पेस्ट करी ट्विस्ट करी मोडी करी लिखि देई करी बा पीएचडी गाइड बा प्रोफेसर को खुशी कर देकरी हमें डॉक्टरेट पाई जिबा ए स्थिति रे हम माने अच्छे। किंतु आईएमटी फार्मेसी कॉलेज गोटे चिंता कला जे नहीं हमें पिला मानन भीतर गोटे ऊर्जा दबा एनर्जी तैयारी करिबा जे तुमे माने आगु को जाकी जदी किसी हायर स्टडीज करो रिसर्च एक्टिविटीज करो एम फार्म जाकी बी फार्म पिला माने एम फार्म करिवे। एम फार्म तो केमती करूछन्ती आज कल समस्त जानि छन्ती केही प्राय अटेंडिंग करना इंडस्ट्री चाकरी करिवेले एटू एम फार्म सर्टिफिकेट नै गला परे गोटे 3000 5000 टंका सैलरी हाई के गला सेति ग्राम माने खुशी। नो रिसर्च एक्टिविटी बहुत कम। तेणु आम भीतर गोटे संभावना तैयारी हवा दरकार जे आमे भारत को जो विश्व गुरु बा श्रेष्ठता आड़ को टाणी नौचे सेतरे ज्ञान विज्ञान आवश्यकता कौन अछि ए विषय रे हम मानन भीतर गोटे ऊर्जा आसीबा दरकार, एनर्जी आसीबा दरकार। सही एनर्जी तैयारी करिया पे ये सेमिनार लक्ष्य। अदरवाइज सकाळ ब्रेकफास्ट पुणी लंच रे बढ़िया चिकन एवं अन्य जिनस ताकू खाइबा आ रात रे डिनर रे बिरयानी अछि ताकू खाइबा, नाच गीतर प्रोग्राम अछि आसिक नाचिबा एही होची हम पाइका सेमिनार। पर्पस ऑफ द सेमिनार से नहीं, पर्पस ऑफ द सेमिनार होची जे हमें जो एक्सपर्ट मान को डाकी छे इंडस्ट्री जो एक्सपर्ट मान को हमें डाकी छे विभिन्न यूनिवर्सिटी रू से माने करंट सिनेरियो रे फार्मा फील्ड रे कोन होची हमकु कहिबे, भारत बाहर कोन होची हमें केते पछरे होचे। हम पिला माने आजिकली आधुनिक वेशभूषा पिंचंदी किंतु आधुनिकता रे जो माने शीर्ष रे पहुंचंदी जो देश मान अमेरिका हो जर्मन हो जो देश मान कोबा जापान हो हमें सेठी प्रति दृष्टि दौना। तेणु ये सेमिनार लक्ष्य होला जे आमे रिसर्च एक्टिविटी केमिति प्रमोट करिबा एवं आमे कम्पीट करिबा गोटे इंटरनेशनल सिनेरियो रे जे आमे भारत रो किछि लोक भी तम संगे रे टक्कर देई पारू। ए बेला गोटे संभावना ए बेला गोटे स्वप्न आमे तैयारी करिया पे सेमिनार रो आयोजन करछु। आउ ए सेमिनार पई आईएमटी फार्मेसी कॉलेज रो समस्त फैकल्टी इंक्लूडिंग प्रिंसिपल वाइस प्रिंसिपल डायरेक्टर्स एचओडीज एवं हमर सपोर्ट स्टाफ सब अक्लांत परिश्रम करछन्ती। जति कि जहां हम द्वारा संभव हेई परछि ता हमें करिया पे चेष्टा करछु। सब बेले सब दिन से इंप्रूवमेंट रो स्कोप थाए। जदि एथर को किछि कमी रहि जाउछि हम चेष्टा करबा आर्थर को ताको आउट इंप्रूव करिया पे। मु आशा करूछि अनुरोध करूछि समस्त को जो समस्त हम पे आज गेस्ट कारण आपने होस्ट तेणु समस्ते ताकू उदार हृदय रे जदि किछि कमी रहि जाउछि ताको एक्सेप्ट करिवे एवं ए सेमिनार देखि हमें केमती जो उद्देश्य रे ऑर्गेनाइज कराइछि ताको केमती आमे स्मूथली कैरी आउट करबा 2 दिन काल से प्रति ध्यान देबे कंट्रीब्यूट करिवे। थैंक यू। जय जगन्नाथ।
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. I hope whatever sir said has motivated all the participants sitting out there to upskill themselves from this seminar. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Somnath Mishra, sir, Associate Vice President, Mankind Research Center, Gurgaon, Haryana, on dais to say something. Sir, please.
Jai Jagannath. Good morning. I'm really excited, delighted, and seeing the excitement of the management, the way they presented and thought process they are given. They're the one step ahead behind the people thinking at India. They're thinking about the one step ahead the research, which is indigenous. It's an excellent thought process to the people. I must thank you to everyone who is thinking and who has thought about this stuff. I'm a speaker, I'll give some of the thing on that. But small things, seeing you people, I'm coming back by education and by days, childhood days and college days. Thank you once again. I'll come back to you once my presentation will be there.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Pranav Shankar Das, ADMO, District Headquarter Hospital, Puri.
Jai Jagannath. I have the opportunity to say a warm welcome in this fine morning when you have all come to this place of Lord Jagannath, Jagannath Dham, Puri. I hope this seminar will definitely enlighten you all who have joined from various places in our state and from outside also. So, at the outset, I express my thankful. I am very much thankful, and it is my proud privilege that I have been here invited as a guest to this seminar organized by Institute of Medical Sciences, Pharma, Puri, and the topic of the seminar is National Seminar on Implementation of Indigenous Technology in Pharma, Research for Affordable and Quality Drugs. And really, it is the need of the hour. At the outset, I express my heartfelt thanks to the organizers. They have invited me. I am very much blessed that I have become a part of this Jagannath Dham and work here for last 4 years as the district administration, as the superintendent of the medical college, where many of your students, they go and learn the practical things, what is available in our hospital, and they are being guided by the senior pharmacists there, and I used to supervise all these things. If at all anybody has learned the things from our hospital, I'll be very happy and feeling proud that the institution has given you something to which will help you in your future. As you know, our country is progressing towards Atmanirbharshil Bharat. This word is being spread, this theme is being spread amongst us, among all the youngsters, that they will become one of the finest citizens of our country. The country will feel proud of their presence and they will contribute to the country by being self-sufficient and will never depend on other countries, developed countries who were once upon ruling on us. As you know, during COVID-19, that was a pandemic. Initially, we were frustrated and we could not think of any good drugs which will be life-saving, and ultimately, out of this frustration, our scientists tried their best and generated the vaccines. Initially, we were depending on foreign countries for the vaccines, and those who are rich enough and their lives are more valuable, they were procuring from outside abroad. But this country, the pharmaceuticals, would generate the vaccines against COVID-19, like Covaxin and Covaxin, which were definitely generated some hope that we have all survived after getting vaccinated. And in the long run also, we have supported some of the countries like Bangladesh, Nepal and other places where they were very poor in the developing countries, and this country could extend their help to those people, those countries by sharing our vaccines to them. So it is one of the most proud feeling moment on that moment that our country is always trying to become self-sufficient in many aspects, and also in future we will definitely lead the world. As you know, in ancient India, the Charak Muni has remained the principal contributor as a physician, and the maximum medicinal products were from Charak Muni, and he has everything described in his Charak Samhita, and which is also very much accepted during the ancient days. Similarly, the Susruta we know he is the founder of surgeon of our ancient days. But the pharmaceutical products at present are getting revolutionized every day, and we are getting newer generations of medicines. The research in pharmacy has extended in many areas like medicine, chemistry, biochemistry, microbiology, biotechnology, every field. These pharmaceuticals have given their hands on research works, and we always get newer products through these companies, and we are becoming gradually self-sufficient. In ancient days, the sources of the drugs were from the plants, from the animals and minerals. They are procured empirically by few of the experienced persons, and the knowledge of that product were confined to their family only, and they were not sharing what is the product really available for curing such an illness. There are no scientific methods of standardizing those drugs, and very often we have lost due to the hazardous effect of those drugs. And during British in India, the Western or the so-called allopathic system came into India, with the British traders who later became the rulers. And before 1940, initially all the drugs were imported from, most of the time from Europe and other countries which were developed, and later on some drugs were manufactured in our country. And the pharmaceuticals which was become the pioneer in this field was the Bengal Chemicals and Pharmaceutical Works in Calcutta, that was founded in 1901, and this is the first pharmaceutical which was in our country, which gave some of our indigenous drugs in this country. And later on many pharmaceuticals have come forward, and this industry has grown like anything at present era. Thus, the indigenous pharmaceuticals are self-sufficient to produce antibiotics, vaccines, human blood, plasma fraction, steroids, and many other good drugs which are available in our country, and we are also able to treat our patients in a lower cost of therapy. The profession of pharmacy, it is no doubt a noble profession, and it is indirectly healing the persons to get well with the help of medical practitioners and other co-professionals. But the government has restricted the practice of pharmacy by implementing the Pharmacy Act 1948, which is guarding the ethics of the Indian pharmacists. This also monitors the job of pharmacists appointed into the hospitals by giving them various responsibility in distribution, in storing and distributing the drugs. So pharmaceutical industries are rendering very important aspect of generating various drugs and marketing them. Many opportunities are now generated for the students passing out of the colleges to be ahead in the job. Also during research for discovering new generation of drugs. For example, as a drug which we very often come across for a disease like diabetes mellitus, we know insulin is the drug of choice many a times, very often, and the cost of insulin was once upon a time very costly because it was not available with us. Nowadays, this has been generated in laboratories, and ample amount of insulin is available in a lower cost. Even if the government hospitals, they are providing all these drugs free of cost. As you know, this recombinant human insulin, which is really one of the finest insulin which can change the modality of treatment on diabetes mellitus. So many examples are there which are being provided by these pharmaceuticals and newer generation of drugs which are also generated in our country. And today's seminar is yours, which all of you are participating and sharing your knowledge and gaining something that will in future you may get a scope to work in such fields of research where you will be involved and show your talents there. I hope this seminar definitely will guide you to new perspectives of the pharmacological industry, and I see all of you have come to this holy city Puri, will participate in the seminar and enjoy all the academics heartily. And also the part of the seminar as you will also have some other programs to relax you. So I express my heartiest wishes to all of you, welcome you again, and so expressing my best wishes on this occasion. Thank you all. Have a nice day and enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your such informative words. There is information for all the participants out here. One of our guests, Sri Jayant Kumar Sarangi sir, MLA Puri, could not make it to here due to some of his personal reasons, but still we have his best wishes and compliments for our 13th national level seminar. Now, I would like to invite Honorable Founder cum Chairman Dr. Vishwanath Ratha sir on stage to address the gathering. Sir, please.
जय जगन्नाथ। आज निश्चित भाव में IMT पे गोटे खुशी दिन आम 13तम सेमिनार आरंभ करुचे एथर गोटे स्वतंत्रता अच्छी बहुत पिला बाहर कॉलेज आम कॉलेज को आई मु स्वागत करुच्ची ये अनुष्ठान अध्यक्ष निर्देशक एवं समस्त एचओडी समस्त स्टाफ समस्त प्रचेषा आज सफल होगा जाऊँगी तेणु यही किसी जिनिस आम अनुष्ठान रे प्रति वर्ष प्रति समय आरंभ होची आमर उद्देश्य प्रथम थिला भल पढ़िबा एवं भल जगार पढ़िबा तार भल मनीष हवा ये जिनिसटा आम प्रथम 34 वर्ष है बजाय रखीचे आमर पिला माने सारा भारत रे भल भल जगार अछंती भल पैसा मध्य रोजगार करछंती जो सेमिनार होची आम गोटे प्रेरणा दौची आमे किछि करिबा आमे अन्य पर निर्भर न करी किछि रिसर्च करी करिया भी चेष्टा करिबा सफल हवा कि नहीं से तो अलग कथा किंतु चेष्टा हमर नाही से चेष्टा करिबा पे ए जो प्रेरणा जोगौची सेतिबे रिसर्च पर्सनल आमे डाकिचे मु विशेष भाव रे धन्यवाद देवी डॉक्टर प्रणव शंकर दास को अल्प समय भितर कथबार्ता भितर से आसी ये सेमिनार को उद्घाटन कर सारा गर्भ भाषण पिला तेणु ताकू ये अनुष्ठान सब मन रख आमको सब साहाय्य सहयोग मिलुथिबो ये आशा मु करूँ आम 34 वर्ष है जो चेष्टा करते आम पिला माने भल पढ़े भल जगार रे जिते कंपिटिशन आसू सब कम्पिट करें आम आज बहु विभाग तैयारी करछे खाली फार्मासी नुह एम फार्म बी फार्म डी फार्म डीएमएलटी बीएमएलटी ईसीजी बीपीटी एवं ए वर्ष आम नर्सिंग अप्लाई करछे तेणु आग को बढ़ुचे तेणु पिला मोर गोटे कहवा कथा से स्वप्न देख राति नुह दिन देख एवं दिन देख चेक देख जो स्वप्न तुमको शुआई देवनी से भाई स्वप्न देख बड़ हबार स्वप्न देख निश्चित बड़ हम तार उदाहरण हूँ नरेंद्र मोदी कौटी थे कौन करुले सारा पृथ्वी बर्तमान ना कर बहु जगार आम देखीचे महाराष्ट्र में से जड़े रिक्शा वाला सी बर्तमान मुख्यमंत्री तेणु बहु उदाहरण अच्छी उत्तर प्रदेश मुख्यमंत्री मठर महंत थे जोगी थे सी बर्तमान विशिष्ट मुख्यमंत्री तेणु निजर इच्छा शक्ति रहा दरकार मु बड़ हेबी भल करी भल मनीष हेबी समाज में ना करी जदि चेष्टा फार्मासी शिक्षा तुमको यही जगह नहीं पहुंचब तुमको कई आशा कर मत जज डॉक्टर प्रणव दास कहते सांगर जड़े लोक से फार्मा कॉलेज एमडी करी से निजे इंडस्ट्री बाहर जाकरी बर्तमान इंडस्ट्रियल डायरेक्टर तीन टा इंडस्ट्रियल डायरेक्टर जो हाथ अन्य हाथ पहुंची पार यही जगार पहुंची पारे उद्देश्य थिला मु करी किसी देखेबी तेणु यही प्रेरणा आम आईएमटी दौचु तमे सब उच्च आशा कर ये सामान्य बी फार्म रही जाओनी एम फार्म कर पीएचडी कर निजे कंपनी तैयारी कर औषध कर किसी कर समाज पे किसी करी जाओ समाज तुमको मन रखियो समाज तुमको बहुत कथा दौची तेणु समाज पे आमर किसी कर्तव्य अच्छी से कर्तव्य को आम संपादन करवा आईएमटी सब तुम सांगे अच्छी प्रभु जगन्नाथ हंती भरोसा तुम्हें आगे चल हम तुम्हारे साथ जय जगन्नाथ।
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind and motivating words. I hope everyone sitting out there have had their breakfast. Our 2 days